Alright, so the last thing we need to do with this unit is fill out our homeostasis chart and talk about how the respiratory system helps to coordinate homeostasis. So, on the front side by your name, we're going to start first with the integumentary system. And the respiratory system provides oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. With the nervous system, it also provides oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. With the skeletal, providing oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. With the muscular, we are providing oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. And with the endocrine system, we also are providing oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. Now this may seem very repetitive, but when you think about it, the respiratory system is actually a pretty simplistic system. So the fact that it has this kind of generalized ability is not all that surprising. With the cardiovascular system, we actually have a couple of functions. Well, one function. When we transport carbon dioxide as bicarbonate, it actually helps the blood in its ability to act as a buffer. If you remember the definition of a buffer, buffers are basically weak acids or bases that help prevent sudden changes in pH. And so traveling as bicarbonate within the bloodstream allows the blood to act as a buffer for us. With the lymphatic system, in the alveoli, we actually have immune cells that are called phagocytes, and they help to detect antigens and trigger the immune response. Our alveoli actually get exposed to a lot of different pathogens, and so this actually is very helpful for us. In addition, the mucus that lines the respiratory system actually helps to trap the pathogens and prevent them from reaching our deeper tissues, reducing the risk of infection. With the digestive system, we actually create thoracic and abdominal pressure using the respiratory system and also through the contraction of the muscles, and this actually helps with defecation in digestion. In urinary, the respiratory system, and we'll actually look at this more in detail when we talk about the urinary system, but the body's pH is actually monitored within the kidneys, and the respiratory system actually will help, and it's a big contributor to helping adjust those pH levels. And finally, with the reproductive system, our respiratory rate and our respiratory volume changes during sexual arousal.